Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. Now, if somebody asks me what my favourite motorhome is, I'm a bit stuck, or favourite camper van, I'm a bit stuck. How about my favourite low profile? I'm a bit stuck. But if anybody asks me what is my favourite cab over, I can give you the answer. It's this one here from Frankia, the A740 Plus. And I know this is going to sound a bit like an advertisement, so I've really got to make it sound fair. I do my best to be fair in everything I do. Right, coming into the vehicle, it's got this wonderful rear lounge. Let's see if we can do something about getting some light on in here. Does that work? The thing about the Frank, you've got to really press this button before it does anything, you see? I had to give it a good press there. Stick this one here on. No, see. Oh, it's come on now. I've got all the lights on. It certainly looks that way. Good. It's got a rear lounge. Convinced? Not yet? Okay, let's have a look up front then. There's the bed. How do you get into bed? You pull yourself up. What if you feel as though you can't pull yourself up? In that case, you got to use the ladder. And there it is. Comes in here. What about this hole down here? What's happening there? This is a German layout. This will come out. And this will go in the space up front. Here, I'll pull it out all the way. I think this is, I'll fill that, put the infill in. I'll pull the ladder out again if I can. There we go. And that's your way. That's your stairway to heaven. Oh, it's a bit could do with a bit of a oiling this. Anyway, the ladder comes down there. This is a wardrobe here, and this is here a wardrobe too. So there you go. That's what it looks like. There's your way up. You have to get into the wardrobes, then you've got to put the stairway to heaven back in its place. I think that really works. It really works very, very nicely. Excellent. Now, the bed is above the driving part, but it can stay in that position without any problems. There's plenty of space in the cab. Right, good. Let's leave the stairway to heaven there, and let's come in here. So we've got here, there's your toilet, and there's me, the big mirror, and over the other side there is this shower. It's got two drainage points, got two proper domestic drainage points. There you go, there's me in the shower. Look at all of this space that I have got around it. I think that's very good. Now, you can see it's got a double floor down here. And the double floor is absolutely essential, in my opinion. In the double floor, we've got storage, we've got some technical stuff. In fact, I'll show you some of the technical stuff right now, which is down here. That is the Aldi boiler for the heating. On the left, we've got the Truma frost guard, we've got the water pump, we've got other stuff down there as well to make your motorhome into a home. Over here, kitchen, 2 burners, we've got this molded sink, we've got storage below, and the note proper drawers as well. The rear here, we have got fridge, freezer, and a grill. We've got a wardrobe here. You've got there your Frankia, it's Aldi system heating. You can put more shelves in or not, as the case may be, whatever you feel you need. Storage all around the back, windows all around the back, and that wonderful seating group to use the German word, but I've started using that in English now, so maybe if other people say the same word, that it'll catch on. I think this is magnificent. Windows in the roof. You get lots of air, but light coming in as well. I see there's a light over there not working. There you go, I found something wrong. And it's just a matter of probably just a matter of replacing the bulb. Magnificent vehicle. As you come in, you've got on the floor down here's a place you can put your shoes, so you don't have to. So you take your shoes off down there. Now, what I've started doing is I sit on the at the entrance and take my shoes off, so I don't bring any bits of dirt into my vehicle at all. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. I think the television goes up there. Got 12 volt, you've got shore power, you've got a place for television antenna, or connection to the roof antenna, I should say. Satellite dish, that's the word. I don't have a satellite dish on my vehicle. I even like these sort of backlit decorative storage places at the back. Right, anyway. So there you have it. Now you'll be wanting a price. You're looking here, 6 figures, and the first of those 6 figures is a 2. That's what you're looking at for this, around 200,000 euros. That is. Window with a door, storage, 35 centimeter, double floor. If this is open, I'll show you inside. Over a ton of payload for this vehicle, and you know, for a rear lounge motorhome, that's pretty good. It's the thing with the rear lounge is it's difficult to work the space into the garage. So if you want that is, I would only just say, so what it says here, over 900 kilos of payload. It would have been better with a entrance to the garage there as well, a garage flap there, and largely built to water though. 250 litres of fresh water. What do you think? Can you see my point on this vehicle? It's on a Fiat basis. Somebody will say, what, 200,000 for a Fiat motorhome? Nothing wrong with Fiat. I think it works really well. Thanks for watching.